Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the failed to fetch error on Janitor AI. If you're trying to send a message or generate a response and Janitor AI suddenly shows this error, it can be caused by your selected model, API configuration, browser, or network connection. So let's go through the most common fixes. First, open Janitor AI and enter the chat where you're experiencing the problem. Start by checking your API or generation settings. If you're currently using a third-party model or proxy, such as OpenRouter, DeepSeek, or another provider, temporarily switch to another available model. If Janitor's own model is available on your account, you can test that option first. This helps determine whether the problem is coming from the selected provider rather than Janitor AI itself. Next, open your API configuration and carefully check your settings. Make sure the selected provider is active and that your API key is entered correctly. If you've recently changed your API key, remove the old key and enter the current one again. Then save your settings, even if you haven't made any major changes. After saving, return to your chat and refresh the page. If there's a test option available in your generation settings, use it to check whether the connection is working. If the test succeeds, try sending a new message. If you're still getting the error, the next possibility is your browser. Start by opening Janitor AI in an incognito or private window. This is useful because it temporarily avoids many cached files, cookies, and browser extensions. If Janitor AI works correctly in private mode, one of your browser extensions or stored site data could be causing the problem. You can then clear the browser cache and cookies for the site and try again. It's also worth testing Janitor AI in another browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge. If the issue happens across multiple browsers, check your internet connection, restart your router, or reconnect your device to the network. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it and test Janitor AI again. In some situations, a VPN can interfere with the connection, while in other situations, it may help if your normal network has routing or regional access problems. Finally, keep in mind that the problem may sometimes be server-side. If your API settings, browser, and internet connection are all working correctly, Janitor AI or the selected API provider could simply be experiencing an outage or temporary issue. In that case, waiting and trying again later may be the only solution. And that's it. To recap, check your model and API settings, verify your API key, refresh the connection, test another browser, clear cached data, check your network, and consider temporary service outages. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixes the failed to fetch error for you. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.